Hello student, in this video I am going to start the next chapter, that is chapter 4, atoms, molecules and radicals, and the topic atoms. Okay, so we know that matter is made of tiny particles called molecules, means whether we are talking about solid, okay, whether we are talking about solids or liquids, okay, or gas, okay. These all state of matter are made of tiny particles called molecules. So these smallest unit are molecules, okay. These are molecules. And a student, which in turn are made of atoms, means these molecules are made of atoms. So अगर हम इसका डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर देखें तो इसके इनसाइड small atoms are there, and these small atoms are the building blocks of the molecule. These tiny structure are the building blocks of a molecule, okay. So here we are going to study about the atom. So ultimately, what is the definition of an atom? It is the smallest part of an element that take part in a chemical reaction. So this is the smallest part, okay. This is the smallest part of an element that takes part in a chemical reaction, okay, that takes part in a chemical reaction. All right. So student, the property of an element, whether we are talking about hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, means we are talking about hydrogen, okay, oxygen, okay, or nitrogen or any other element, okay. The properties of these elements depend upon the atoms constituting the element, okay. जो भी atoms इनको form up करने में help कर रहे हैं उनकी properties पे ही depend करेगा the ultimate property of these elements, okay. Now next one is valency. So student, valency, it is the combining capacity. It is combining capacity. Combining capacity, okay, combining capacity of an element, okay, of an element with other elements, okay. So valency is the combining capacity of an element with other elements, all right. For example, H2O, okay, H2O. So here how many molecules, how many atoms of hydrogen are there? This is one molecule of water, okay. It is represented one molecule of water. So one molecule of water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. It means student, the number of atom is mentioned at the lower सफिक्स, ओके. अगर लोअर सफिक्स पे जो भी नंबर्स लिखे हैं वो नंबर ऑफ एटम्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, और किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल के इनिशियल पे अगर यहाँ पे कोई नंबर लिखा हो, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ 2 हो या 3 हो या 4 हो, तो वो नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स शो करता है. इनिशियल में अगर कोई न्यूमरल लिखा है इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स, वेयर एज अगर लोअर बेस पे लिखा हुआ है तो वो रिप्रेजेंट करता है नंबर ऑफ एटम्स को, ओके. सो हेयर हाउ मेनी एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आर कंबाइनिंग विद ऑक्सीजन? 2 atoms of hydrogen are combining with oxygen. So that is why the valency of oxygen is 2, okay. Whereas how many atoms of oxygen are combining with hydrogen? 1 atom of oxygen is combining with hydrogen. That is why the valency of hydrogen is 1, Okay, so it is also clear from the definition as well that it is the combining capacity of an element with other elements. मतलब एक एलिमेंट, एक कोई एटम दूसरे कितने एटम्स के साथ कंबाइंड है वो ही उसकी वैलेंसी होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमने HCl लिया, ठीक है, so one atom of hydrogen combines with one atom of chlorine, so that is why the valency of chlorine is also 1 and hydrogen is also 1. Okay, so ultimately valency is the combining capacity of an element with other elements. Okay, in your book a table 4.1 is given where the elements are where the valencies of some common elements are given in the terms of monovalent, divalent, trivalent and tetravalent. Monovalent means whose valency is 1, divalent means valencies are 2, trivalent means valencies are 3, tetravalent means valencies are 4. So student, you should prepare that table 4.1. okay, the table 4.1 is your homework. You have to prepare this table. So in the next class I will explain the next topic, that is molecules. Okay, take care, bye bye.